This is a front fork of TRANSALP 600. It's a Showa, and it has been brushed, not polished, brushed. Okay, this is Yamaha, but it's also a Showa. So you can see the oxide. You see the oxide? The oxide get underneath a clear coating. Okay, you have two sort of front fork. Some of them they are brushed and they are clear coated. Some of them they are just silver paint sprayed. They are brushed in the front and not brushed in the rear. You see, it's a very it's a cheap work. They only brush where it's visible. So in this case we try to brush even a little bit on the back where we can access with a brushing machine. We are gonna clear coat it, so it's gonna look perfect. I'm gonna explain about the rear suspension of the TRANSALP. We have an 87 model that has this kind of link. This is the 94 or after with a disc brake in any case. If you see, they are different geometry. This is longer, okay, from here to here, and this is shorter, and this is higher, and this is lower, okay? But the total age of the motor is the same, the motorbike is the same. How do they do that? They have two different support of the shock absorber. One is short and one is longer. This is 87 because it's higher, so it has a shorter. So the total length is the same. Why I am telling you this is because you can play with this. If you want to make it lower, you use an 87 model and you put it on the disc brake model, and you get the bike lower. You can do the opposite. You can put this link on a 94 model and it will be higher. Right. This is the chain cursors. If you see this groove, it shouldn't be there. It should be flat, so it's completely worn off. This is also the slider. You can see is completely worn off. It is also broken. This is the old cursor. As you can see, is worn off completely. You recover this spacer from the old and you insert in the new one with a hammer. This is the new cursor. It goes here, okay, and you slide it in like this, and with a single screw you put it on. This slider, unlikely the original, it can be open, so you can put it on without removing the swing arm, because the standard Honda slider is closed here, so you cannot put it on. You have to remove the swing arm, disconnect the shock absorber. It's a time-consuming job. Now we put the screw on the front and that's it. It's done. Very easy. We're gonna install our new seat cover on this bike. You have a stitch for the center here. You mark the center. Stop the front with some stitches. Then pull, warm up, pull, and put another 2 stitches over there, okay? Then you pull the side and you put other stitches, and that's it. It will fit perfectly. All this wrinkle, you just to get rid of the wrinkle and pull like this. We work on this frame that was bent. We make it straight again. and we repaint everything, also the headlight support, and we put inside of this support the LED headlight that fits perfectly. You see this frame around it? It's perfect. Oh, these are the carburetor. They have been cleaned. This product put a line, which is pretty good. As for this one, they have been repainted because they are very oxidized, so you cannot get them nice. So I just paint them silver. So we're gonna put them back, and we're gonna change also the manifold. As you can see, the old one are very hard. They are not soft anymore. These are a silicone. You see, very soft. These are very beautiful. It's very good silicone, you see? So they are sealed. We change the manifold, we remove these caps that I use for safety, and then we're gonna put carburetors back. Okay.